Dang it, Ella. Alrighty guys, so today is gonna be friggin' awesome. I know in my last video I said my next video would likely be art related. This one just isn't. We're moving into an apartment, so likely next week will be art related, as that is the week I will be starting back at Full Sail. But this week, what are we doing? Well, we've got this little pup, Ella, and I'm sure you've probably seen her in a video of mine. She's this little creature. Yeah, that's her. So, we need to get her a buddy for when we're in the apartment. So we're gonna drive about 2 hours away, and we're gonna go get her a little pup buddy. Ella is a Yorkie and Poodle mix. And this new pup we're gonna get, he is, whoops, I guess I just gave away the gender. Dang it. He's like a Shih Tzu Chihuahua mix, something like that. I've seen pictures of him, he looks adorable. You guys will see him. I've seen a video of him and he looks like he just loves to play, and that's what Ella's all about. So I'm hoping that he's a great match for her. So yeah, he's about just a few weeks old. He was born May 7th, so he's a May baby, just like me. Woohoo! So yeah, Ella is more of Bailey's pup, and I'm just hoping that this little guy bonds with me, because I would love to have that. He can be in so many of my videos. We could just party it up. Oh my goodness, I want him to love me. So yeah, we're gonna go pick him up. Awesome. And there's Bailey. Bailey and I are now on our way for 104 miles to go get this little guy. So when we get there, we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something. He's gonna be awesome, and once we get him, I will let you guys know what the name is. So see you in 103 miles now. And his name is Stitch.
Oh my goodness, you are perfect.
Don't get too attached to him. He's my dog.
Can you take puppies into PetSmart?
I don't know. We're gonna go to PetSmart.
I want to get him some food. I want to get him some puppy food, like the little
dang.
Caesars ones.
Yeah. Okay, Stitch's first step's about to happen. On a harness with a leash. He ain't
All right,
moving.
good job. Good job, Stitchy. We'll try later.
Walking try number 2. Come here, Stitch. Come here, little thing.
Come on, buddy.
The first steps.
He is nervous.
Yeah. Come on. No, we'll just hold him. Oh, he's cute.
Did you get that?
Yes, I did. My little guy.
Our puppy gave up.
So coming out of PetSmart, he's already getting spoiled with toys. Oh.
I love you so much.
He's looking at me for help.
Hi.
He has found his sitting spot.
What are you gonna do? He's got his dinosaur and he's content.
I want him to give me a kiss. Come here.
He's like, oh no, don't make me. It's okay.
Oh, that was so
Aww.
sad. Dang it. I'll get him later.
Can I go back? Stitchy, what are you doing?
Hi, buddy.
What are you doing? Hi. What do you want? You good? What's your game plan?
I'm just looking.
Excuse you. This is not comfortable for me. local boy.
Good boy, Stitch. You like the
That's
water.
all he needed.
You like the water.
That's all he needed. Look at his little flyaways, all those white fuzzies.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, you like me now, don't you? He is terrified.
No, he isn't. He's not shaking. It's alright, baby. So cute. Oh my goodness. Hi. No, his name's not Eeyore. It's Stitch.
Don't you want to see your new nephew?
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes and come here. Open. Oh. Such a good boy. Hi, Stitch.
Smooth it right down. And then go. Whoop. There they go.
All right, we're going to put you in your
go,
little
buddy.
pack and play. Look, dinosaur. Roar. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, that's Stitch, and because I don't think I have it on camera yet, let me quickly tell you about his little story, okay? Stitch, all right? His name was Jack, and I believe they just called him Puppy for a little bit. So he was part of a litter of 4, right? Someone adopted 2 of his siblings and him, and then they realized the brother that they did not adopt is the one that they really wanted, so they brought Stitch back and just exchanged him. So they adopted all of his siblings but him. And he's always slept in a kennel by himself. So now he's got a family that loves him, cares about him, and he's going to be sleeping in our bed. So that's the story of Stitch. And he has a dinosaur toy. One of many.
And he's too small for his little belly band.
Yeah, he's too small for his belly band, so it falls off of him, but he's going to grow into it. And, oh my goodness, he's cute.
Close up.
Hi, buddy. So that's Stitch. Anyway, guys, we're going to go to bed. He's going to sleep in a bed for the first time ever. Crazy. So that's it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed meeting Stitch. He's probably going to be in more videos in the future. Until then, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you guys in our next video. See you guys later. Stitch. Bye-bye. Come here. Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh, hi. What are you doing? Come here.